So in this video we will tell you about the raw material which we use in the carpentry shop. As we know, the carpentry is related with woodworking, so the basic material for working or the work material for this shop is wood. Wood is procured from trees. The natural source is tree. So depending upon the type of tree, the wood can be classified broadly into hardwood or softwood. Here I am showing you a piece of hardwood. So this is a piece of shisham wood which is hardwood, and this is the piece of softwood. As you can see, the softwood is more porous and the texture is more coarse than the hardwood. In the hardwood, the texture is more fine and smooth. So hardwood and softwood are categorized on the basis of their hardness value. So there is one standardized test that is known as Janka hardness test, JANKA, Janka hardness test, which is performed on the wood to determine its hardness value. So wood can be softwood or hardwood, or it can be artificial wood like this plyboard, or wood can be carved, can be molded, or can be cut out into thin sheets to make veneers or multiple plies, multiple layered plies. In this way we can use wood, different type of wood, for different engineering application. So when we use wood, we have to prepare a freshly cut tree into proper usable form. So in order to do that, freshly cut tree should be dried, and the extra moisture, as we all know that freshly cut tree contains a lot of moisture, so we have to bring down that moisture content in the tree, freshly cut tree, to some normal equilibrium value from where we can use the wood. So in order to do that, we have to first saw away the barks and extra roots which are attached with the trees, and we make rectangular or square section logs from the tree. Then after cutting the logs, we cut them into small stacks, which I am showing you right now. Here are the stacks. These are the stacks which are cut approximately close to the size or the dimensions for which the application or the sizes which we want to make from the wood. So when we prepare freshly cut tree into a usable engineering form, that wood is known as timber. So the process of conversion from wood to timber is done, and the process by which we remove extra moisture from the freshly cut tree in a scientific and well planned manner is known as seasoning. So, seasoning can be done in a natural form or artificial form. So, there are two types: natural seasoning and artificial seasoning. So, here I am showing you simple example of natural seasoning. We have to stack the freshly cut pieces of wood or into a set pattern which I am showing you, and with the help of stickers. These are the stickers which are laid horizontally across the length of the stacks. So we place these stickers among different layers of the stack in order to increase the air circulation inside the stack, so that air can circulate evenly and the moisture can be dried evenly from the stacks which are placed inside the stack. So the pieces which are placed deep inside the stack are exposed by placing stickers between the adjacent layers of the stack. So this is the example of natural seasoning. So natural seasoning can be done by simply laying a stack on a well leveled plane or floor and exposing the wood to natural dry air. So as I have shown you piece of hardwood in our part of world or in North India, the most commonly available are sesame wood, babool wood, teak, walnut, and the most common examples of softwood are Meranti wood, eucalyptus wood, mango wood obtained from mango tree, cheer, cal, partal, or dake, which is known as China berry or beet tree.